Let's create video with AI for free. We need just a story, a text story, then we can change our text to video. We can create video with text like this. Watch this video.
In the realm of the Emerald Forest, a fox comes alive, her russet coat a whisper against the verdant ferns. Darting between shadows, she moves like a fleeting thought, her nimble paws treading lightly on moss-covered paths. Her eyes aglow like amber stars, a testament to her wild spirit. She seeks out the secret.
Let's start. Write this URL on web browser, then hit enter. I will share this URL on the description of this video. Here you need to create account. Enter your email address, then create account. Open your email address or open your Gmail, copy the code and paste here, then click on create account. Choose any of them you want. I want to create video for YouTube, then click on continue. In this step we need a story. You can create your story with ChatGPT, and also you can create your story with this AI. I share a link of the AI on the description. Also you can use this AI for free. We can create with both of them. First I want to create a story with ChatGPT. It is my message for ChatGPT. Write a 18-word story about fox. Then enter your message. It will write a story about fox. You can do it with this AI also. Write your message, then click here. This AI also write a story about fox for you. Copy one of them, any of them you want. Then come in this side. Paste your story here. Then click on generate. And also from here you can choose type of your video. You can create short video and also long video. It is okay for me. I want to generate a video. First it initialize for me. Now this side initialize the text, then thinking about the text. Here you can change your platform. For example, if you want to create for Instagram, you can choose Instagram or Facebook, but it is okay for me. I want to click on continue. It will start the creating video. Guys, in this step, if you are new here, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more useful content like this. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. Wait a few moments. Now our video is generated successfully. Let's play this video.
In the realm of the Emerald Forest, a fox comes alive, her russet coat a whisper against the verdant ferns. Darting between shadows, she moves like a fleeting thought, her nimble paws treading lightly on moss-covered paths. Her eyes aglow like amber stars, a testament.
When you click here, you can edit any part of video you want. When I click any part, the text will yellow for you. It means this part is related to this text. This part is related to this text. If you change your text, your video will also change. But I don't want to change my video. And from here, you can change your quality of video. Any of them you want, you can generate your video. It is okay for me. From here you can export your video. How we can export? Click on export, then click here export video. Click here, then click on normal. Select any of them you want. Select the quality of your video, then click on continue. Now it reload the video. Now this step is finished. Click on download. This video will download for me after 7 or 8 minutes. Now this video is downloaded for me. Come on the download, you will see your video.
In the realm of the Emerald Forest, a fox comes alive, her russet coat a whisper against the verdant ferns. Darting between shadows, she moves like a fleeting thought, her nimble paws treading lightly on moss-covered paths. Her eyes aglow like amber stars, a testament to her wild spirit. She seeks out the secrets hidden within twilight's tender embrace. She dances, not to a tune but with the wind, her movements painting stories of magic and mystery. A symphony of rustling leaves follows her, the forest's own melody playing in harmony with her existence. In her silence, legends echo, whispered tales of a creature both elusive and wise. She is a custodian of untamed realms, a guardian of the wild, forever entwined with the enchantment of nature. In the heart of the forest, she breathes life into the tales of yore, the fox, an emblem of the untamed, of the magical, of the mysterious.